Welcome to Container Homes San Ramon, Costa Rica, where we boast a proud 19-year legacy of crafting innovative shipping container residences. Nestled within our expansive manufacturing facility are a variety of model homes awaiting your exploration. Each of our meticulously designed products features fully furnished kitchens, inviting living areas, and comfortable bedrooms, ensuring a seamless transition into your new home. At Container Homes San Ramon, customization is key. Opt to clad the container exteriors in rustic wood for a charming aesthetic, or elevate your living space with a rooftop deck accessed via a stylish spiral staircase. Additionally, our expertise extends to crafting small decks and roofs, tailored to enhance your outdoor living experience. Inside, choose between high-quality ceramic tiles for your floors and the sleek industrial allure of stainless steel for your walls. Our kitchens are thoughtfully equipped with breakfast bars and ample space, optimizing functionality in these compact yet comprehensive homes. Beyond residential spaces, we specialize in creating office containers that meet professional needs with equal finesse. Our comprehensive services include electrical installations, foundation work, and the installation of septic tanks, ensuring every aspect of your new container home is meticulously handled. Container Home San Ramon manages the entire logistics chain, from transportation to on-site installation, leveraging our access to cranes and tractor-trailers for safe and efficient delivery to your property. Whether you seek further information or wish to witness our craftsmanship firsthand, we invite you to contact us today or visit our facilities in San Ramon, Costa Rica. Discover how Container Home San Ramon can transform your vision of contemporary living into reality.